This is an emergency broadcast. This is not a drill. The following instructions are vital to your safety. Close and secure all possible entrances to your home. Switch off all lights. Do not look out of the window. Do not respond to any knock on your windows or doors until a clear announcement is given. Remain silent at all times. Do not attempt to interact with anyone outside of your home. Do not attempt to investigate any noise which emanates from outside your home. Do not attempt to investigate any light outside your home. If you see any unidentified figure inside your home or from the corner of your eyes, do not attempt to investigate. Move away from the area where you last sighted the figure and lock any doors behind you. Refrain from looking at the ceiling. When moving to any location in your home that is outside of the area your family has gathered, do so in pairs. Remain calm at all times. Gather as much food and supplies in your home as you can. Do not use any telecommunication devices. Emergency services will also not be available until the emergency has been declared over. Should any member of your family go missing, do not attempt to search for them. This broadcast will repeat in 30 seconds. Good luck.